Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Corinne Cooks. Today I'm making a dish called Nsalata di Sardi e l'Arancia, which is salad of sardines and oranges. This is a Sicilian winter salad since oranges are in season in the winter. So these are all the ingredients for the orange and sardine salad. Sometimes herrings are also used, and oftentimes wild fennel or onion is also added, but I'm not using those ingredients. So I chose to use sardines since that's what I have on hand, and I didn't have any onion, and wild fennel is very difficult to get in my part of the world. But there are also versions of the recipe that don't include those ingredients anyway, so this combination is not incorrect. So the first step is to just peel all of the oranges. And now I am quartering each orange and cutting it into chunks. Now I'm just going to combine the oranges and the olives in a bowl and set aside for now. Now I'm going to cut the sardine fillets into small chunks and add them to the bowl. Kind of falling apart here. Now I'm cracking some black pepper with the side of a knife. Now I'm adding salt, and probably not too much because two of the ingredients are already salty. And then I have to sprinkle the cracked black pepper on top. And last, the olive oil. I'm not sure how much, so I'm gonna mix it all together and then taste a little and see if I need any more of the olive oil, salt, or pepper. And here's the salad now mixed up and fully seasoned, and I'm ready to try it. So I'm really noting the freshness of the oranges, and then the sardines just kind of taste like tuna in a way, so like pretty meaty. And they are like a pretty fatty fish, so that's why they taste so good. And then you get like the sweet and sour from the orange, and then the tangy sourness kind of from the olives. A little spice from the pepper. Very well balanced. This is great. Like, this is like easily like a snack. Just like a good winter snack. Also, the cracked pepper definitely adds to the freshness. I just wanted to add that. Thank you for joining me in this adventure to make Nsalata di Sardi e l'Arancia, or sardine and orange salad. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.